Let's take a shower together with my new shower head. This thing is seriously amazing. The water pressure is so high and the shower head doesn't feel cheap. It feels like a really thick piece of glass. Everything you need for smooth, easy installment comes with the kit. Even the handheld sprayer has 3 different functions. It's super easy to operate, nothing leaks, everything functions just how it's supposed to, and I honestly have nothing bad to say about this. Hurry up, go click the cart, grab this shower head. It's great.